Hello, welcome to my channel again. Happy Easter to all of you guys. Happy Easter to all my beautiful subscribers. I greet you all kule Pasika elimandi kangaka Nkosi yami. We can see lana ukubana hayi abantu Nkosi yami, they say ukubana when praises goes up, blessings comes down. We can see lana uMacele asesontweni Nkosi yami ayibongela uThixo ngakho konke uThixo amenzela khona empilweni yakhe, ukuthi at the end of the day guys, whether you are in the entertainment industry, whether you are on everyone's face, whether everyone knows you or no one knows you, at the end of the day guys, you must thank your maker. You must thank your maker Nkosi yami, simbonga uNkulunkulu, especially for us people that are Christians. I know we are all within different religions. We know bana not so long ago we had a Ramadan for the Islamic, and last week it was a Pesach for Jewish people and all those things. I think the week before there was something about Hinduism as well. So yeah, we can see lana uMacele asesontweni kule Pasika Nkosi yami, giving a testimony and thanking God ukubana he is a God who never fails. uMacele guys, whether sibeka kephi okanye kephi sithembu or no sithembu, she is such a praying woman. She is a woman that believes in God so much ukubana in good times I'll praise the Lord, in bad times I'll still praise the Lord. We saw even last time she had to go elwandle. I think it was her, Usne, and Abongwe praying so deeply for Moseleko's health. Like you can see ukubana come rain, come thunder, uMacele will always turn to God, guys. That's what we all need to do. Bana okanye unawo lowo msebenzi, you still need to thank God. Okanye awunawo nalowo msebenzi, you still need to thank God ukubana I am here breathing. Something will still come up. Something always comes up, guys. Must never forget ukubana God made us, and at the end of the day God knows ukubana will come through whatever situation that we're going through. So yes, I wish all of us must follow ey'nyathelweni zikaMacele to always thank God Nkosi yami. We can see lana even last week also we saw uMakhumalo na, she was at church. This week you can see uMacele. Thank you guys, thank you so much, thank you.